Hello students, till now we have learnt about what is number system and what are the types of number system and what are the subgroups or subtypes of positional number system. Okay, so that includes binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So now we'll see how to convert the decimal number system to any other number system. Okay, so the base is, that means the basic number system has a more weightage to the decimal number system. So in order to convert any decimal number system to other number system, in the sense it could be either binary, hexadecimal or octal. Okay, so in order to convert the decimal number system to any another number system, then we have to follow several steps. So now we'll see what are the steps that needs to be followed. Okay, so step 1 includes divide the decimal number by the value of a new base. For example, now I want to divide the decimal number to binary number system. So binary means what? It has a base or radix of 2. Then I have to divide the given decimal number by what? 2. Okay, if I want to convert the decimal number system to octal, in the sense, then I have to divide the given number by 8. Okay, so in first step we have to divide the decimal number by the value of new base. That means to which number system I want to convert, then I have to divide the given number by that base. Okay, so in second step we have to record the remainder from step 1 as the rightmost digit and the quotient. Okay, so once I am done with division, then I have to record all the remainder from the first step itself. Okay, then that must be considered as what? Rightmost digit, then the quotient. We have to record both the quotient value along with the rightmost digit. That rightmost digit is nothing but remainder. Okay, so we'll see a problem, then you can understand all these steps thoroughly. Okay, so in third step we have to divide the quotient of the divided number by the new base. So once we are done with step 1, then again we have to divide the produced quotient by the new base. New base in the sense now I am dividing, or now I am converting decimal number system into binary, in the sense then I have to divide the given number repeatedly by 2. Okay, so once I get a remainder, that will be considered as what? Rightmost digit. Rightmost digit is nothing but remainder. Then again I have to divide the quotient by new base. Okay, then note down the remainder as the next digit. Then we have to take the remainder as a next digit. Then we have to repeat the step 3 and step 4 until the quotient becomes 0. So we have to follow these steps until the quotient value becomes 0. Okay, so now we'll see a problem, then you can understand. So in this we are converting decimal number system into binary. What is the base or radix of decimal number system? That is 10. Okay, now I want to convert this 10 or 23 into binary number system. That means 2. What was the first step? We have to divide the decimal number by the value of new base. That means now I have to divide this 23 by 2. Okay, so now we'll see how to divide this 23. So you have to divide like this in the conversions. Okay, don't follow your traditional method of division. So 23, that needs to be converted into what? Binary number system. So now we'll see how to divide 23, that must be divided by what? 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, then 2 ones are 2. What is the remainder value? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So then remainder becomes 1. This is considered as what? Remainder that must be recorded from the step 1 as the rightmost digit, and then this quotient. Okay, so again we have to divide this quotient as a new digit. Then 2 5s are 10. Okay, together we can consider 2 5s are 10. That means we are going to get what? Remainder of 1. That 11 minus 10 is 1. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. That means the remainder is 1. Again we have to divide. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again the remainder is 1. Then we have to repeat this step until the quotient value becomes what? 0. Okay. So 2 1s are 2. Then what is the remainder? 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then remainder will be what? 0. We cannot divide the 1 by 2, so that we have to take 0 and the remainder becomes what? 1. Okay. So after getting 0 as a quotient value, we have to repeat all this step until the quotient becomes what? 0. Okay. First we have to divide the decimal number by the value of new base. Then we have to record the remainder values in each step, and that will be considered as what? Rightmost digit, and then the quotient value. Again we have to divide this quotient by the quotient of the divided number by the new base. Okay. Then we have to note down the remainder as the next digit. Then we have to follow all these steps until the quotient value becomes 0. Okay. So after getting all these remainder values and all, now we have to note down the binary result that we obtained by the remainder. Okay. So this first digit is considered as what? LSB, that is least significant bit, and this is considered as most significant bit. Okay. While writing the answer, we have to follow bottom up approach. We have to write all these digits from bottom to top. Okay. So the answer is 1 0. You have to left out this digit. Okay. Don't consider this. We have to consider only remainder. 1 0 1 1 1. What is the base value? 2. Okay. So decimal equivalent to the binary is 1 0 1 1. Okay. So this is how we have to convert the decimal number system into binary number system. Now we'll see another example, 46. So 46 na 2 inda divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder? No remainder, because 23 2s are 46. There is no remainder. Again we have to divide this number by what? 2. Okay. So 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Okay. So 11 2s are 22. 23 minus 22 is 1. Then 2 5s are 10. The remainder is 1. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 2 1s are 2. Remainder is what? 0. Okay. Then 0. Then this becomes what? 1. So once we get the 0, then we have to stop the steps. So 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Okay. We have to write the answers from bottom to top. This is considered as least significant bit. This is considered as most significant bit. So first we have to write the most significant bit up to least significant bit. So then our answer is 1 0 1 1 1 0. Base is 2. Okay. So this is how we have to convert the given decimal number system into binary number system. Okay. So while converting decimal number system into binary number system, the base is important. Answers ಅಲ್ಲಿ base important. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಬೇಸ್ನ. And we have to write the values or digits from most significant bit to the least significant bit. Okay. This is what the conversion of decimal number system into binary number system.